Hey guys, I hope you guys are all doing really well and you're doing okay at home. I don't know about you guys, but I am getting really tired of staying in my house. I don't know if you know this, but I live right across the street from Target. Let's see if you guys can see it. So Target is right there, and I am so tempted to go and do some Target shopping, but I'm gonna stay in my house and be safe. I'm getting very tired of being at home, and so I'm sure you guys are too, and I miss you so much. But anyways, let's get started on our math. So today, you guys are on week 1, lesson 2, or day 2, and it's all about comparing numbers. So let's just go over what it means to compare numbers and the strategy that we learned for comparing and ordering numbers. Okay, so this is what the page should look like for today. Your fluency is kind of fun, so what you have to do is look at these 4 numbers and come up with one reason why each number doesn't fit with the other ones. So, for example, looking at the first one, 9 doesn't belong because, well, one reason it doesn't belong is because 9 is a 1-digit number and every other number is a 2-digit number. So you have to do that for each and every number and write your reason here. So you can come up with any reason. There's really no right or wrong answer. You have to be a little bit creative in thinking about why each number doesn't fit with the other 3 numbers. Okay, if you need help with that, you can call me. If you're not sure if a reason works or not, you can always text it to me, or you can comment on this video with any questions. But we're going to go over the daily task. So they want you to arrange the numbers in increasing order, beginning with the least and ending with the greatest number. So the strategy that we learned in class to compare these numbers or put them in order was to use a place value chart. But let's just quickly review the terms. So when you're comparing numbers, you're deciding if a number is greater than another one, if it's less than, or if it's equal to, or you're putting them in order from least to greatest. So the best way to do this is to put them into the place value chart. Oops, sorry guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers here, and I'm going to put them all into the place value chart. So I want you to copy this down on your paper. You're going to draw a place value chart that goes up to the thousands, because we have numbers up to the thousands, and list all the numbers in the place value chart in the order that they come in. It doesn't matter the order right now because we're using this as a tool to compare the numbers. So pause this video and write them into your place. Okay, so you should have something like this in your place value chart. I put a line in between each of my numbers just to keep them separated. I also created a little list here. So I'm putting my numbers in order from least to greatest. So the smallest number is going to go here and the largest number is going to go here. So our first step is to look at the unit with the greatest unit, with the greatest value, which is the thousands place. So I'm going to look in the thousands place and I'm going to see which thousand is the greatest. Well, 4,000. This has 4 in the thousands place, which is greater than any of these other thousands. So I know that 4,002 has to be the greatest. So I'm going to list it over here. 4,002. And then I can cross it off my list because I've already done it. Every other number has a 2 in the thousands place. So we're going to move to the hundreds place because that's the next greatest place value. And you're going to compare the hundreds place. Well, since this number had no thousands, it can't be this one, 420. So it's got to be 2,400 because this number has a 4 in the hundreds place and the other 2 have a 0 in the hundreds place. So you're going to list 2,400 here. Okay, I want you guys to keep going like this. You can cross it out. To fill in the rest of your list. This is the very first problem that we're doing here. The rest of the problems in this packet are all about comparing numbers, arranging them in order. So you have another one here, but the difference is you're doing decreasing order. So you're going to begin with the least instead of the greatest. Okay, Any other questions on here that require you to compare, I want you to use this strategy. Remember that if you need anything or if you have any questions, you can always post a comment on this video, or you can call me, or you can text me, or email me. All right, see you later, guys.